In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into a Squarespace website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully working booking calendar sitting right inside one of your Squarespace pages, so visitors can schedule time with you without ever leaving your site. First, head over to your Calendly dashboard and make sure you're logged in. On this page, you'll see a list of all your event types, like discovery calls, consultations, or follow-up meetings. Find the specific event you want to display on your Squarespace site. On that event, look for the 3 dots menu on the right-hand side. Click on those 3 dots to open up more options for that event. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Add to Website. This is what lets Calendly generate the embed code that you'll place on your Squarespace page. When the Add to Website window opens, Calendly gives you a few different ways to display your event. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed. An inline embed will show your calendar directly on the page, instead of as a pop-up or a button. Once you've selected Inline Embed, click on Continue. Calendly will now show you a preview of how your calendar will look, along with a block of code underneath. This is the HTML code snippet you need to add to Squarespace. Click on Copy Code to copy that entire snippet to your clipboard. Make sure you don't change anything in that code. Now switch over to your Squarespace website in editing mode. Navigate to the page and section where you want your Calendly calendar to appear. When you found the right spot, hover until you see the option to add a new block. Then click on Add Block. From the block options that appear, choose Code. This tells Squarespace you're about to paste in some custom HTML. Once the code block is added, click on the little pen or edit icon to open the code settings. Inside, you'll see a field labeled HTML. Click into that HTML field so your cursor is active there, and then paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. After pasting, you can usually see a preview right in the Squarespace editor. If everything looks good, click on Save to confirm your changes. Finally, don't forget to save or publish the page itself. When you view your live site, your Calendly booking calendar should now be fully embedded and ready for visitors to use.